Okay, so welcome to this video for this week's commentary on price action. Let's take a look at the economic calendar. Okay, first factory. We have two major economic release for the week, and that's on Thursday and Friday, which is unemployment claims and non-farm payroll. These are the two economic calendar I'm really focusing on, because most of them just really doesn't really do much. So unemployment claims on Thursday at 8:30 a.m. and NFP. Okay, these are the two economic drivers we have in for the rest of the week. You guys should take a note of that. Last week I talked about price reaching out for sell side and then providing some kind of feedback for us to look for continuation and look for long setups. So my thesis for this week is actually continuation. We had a run on sell side, run on stop, price reach out for sell side liquidity. What I'm interested in seeing next is actually upward order flow. Okay, when we have price take out an opposing take out the liquidity, you wait for some sort of feedback for price to communicate it's willing to reach out for the opposing liquidity, which in this case is buy side liquidity, and that's exactly what I'll be focusing on for this week. I'll really be interested in taking long setup if I have been proven otherwise by price. My focus entirely will be on taking long setups. Before I engage on price this week, I'd like to see some sort of displacement to the upside, because this doesn't look good. It looks more kind of a range, and you don't really want that price to be seeing back and forth. It's not really good for execution. And also last week price action was pretty messy, because it might also be the same this week, because we're having a monthly candle closure in a few days, so this week might not do much, and depending on what price will provide. So I'll kind of be going into this week, we'll be going in very slow, just to see what price it's going to provide, and no forcing trade setups. That's for the most important part. Be a lot on the sidelines to price provide a lot of information for us to take a trade setup. Okay, waiting on the sidelines for the perfect opportunity to strike, to engage on price, rather than taking random trade setup which will lead to lost. And yeah, so this is the only market I trade gold, and honestly I really don't know about. I'm okay with taking a look at one asset class, because that's the only thing I need to focus on to make the money I'm looking for. So you might be looking at 2 to 3 or even more markets, which is completely fine, as long as you are trading your model and you're profitable, and also stay consistent. That's what really matters. So this is it for this week, and thank you. See you in the next one.